Assalamu alaikum. The topic of our presentation is Microsoft identifies Storm-0501 as major threats in hybrid cloud ransomware attack. Who is Storm-0501? Storm-0501 is a business-wise inspired cyber mafia. In 2021, it was initially discovered. The business model known as ransomware as a service is used by Storm-0501. This approach allows other malicious attacker groups to launch attacks using their ransomware. The Storm-0501 captured target data before encrypting their device, just like many other complementary ransomware organizations. When target refuse to pay the demand ransomware, the attackers behind Storm 0501 upload them on dark web, where they are listed along with any data that was stolen. Storm 0501 use open source tools to perform ransomware attack. Used multi-phase attack to hack hybrid cloud environment. Understanding Storm 0501 ransomware. Storm 0501 uses a particular type of ransomware which is known as Sabat. It recognized by a hash code 54BB47H. Storm 0501 follows business model ransomware as a service, permitting other attackers to use their infrastructure to provide multiple ransomware payloads like Hive, Black Cat, ALPHV, Embargo, and Logbit. Storm 0501 victim. Storm 0501 has targeted various institutions such as transportation services, law enforcement, government sector, hospitals, manufacturing sectors, American Radio Relay League (ARRL). It is crucial sector. It is likely to in eye or Storm 0501 victims vulnerabilities. Adobe Code Fusion deserialized of untrusted data vulnerability. Critics NetScaler ADC and NetScaler Gateway buffered overflow vulnerability. Zoho Manage Engine multiple products remote code execution vulnerability. Cloud session hijacking of on-premises user account. Microsoft Extra Connect synced account compromise. Initial access and resonance. Storm 0501 attacks focus on weak fundamentals and admin accounts. Storm 0501 use initial access technique used by other cybercriminal groups, exploit multiple known RCE flaws in unpatched services like Critics, NetScaler, Adobe CodeFusion 2016, and Zoho Manage Engine. Follow various steps like extensive discovery, operation, and installation of remote monitoring and management system. Now you see Storm 0501 attack chain. First of all, the Storm 0501 will get the initial access via stolen credential or end exploit, then extensive discovery via leaving of the land binaries, which is also known as LOLBINs, LOLBINs. Then installation of remote monitoring and management tools, RMMS. Credential theft via impact, brute force, and stealing in key passes database. Now from here there are two steps. One is pivot to cloud environment via Entra Connect account compromise on or cloud session hijacking. Then creation of backdoor using feature domain. The other thing was installation of Cobalt Strike for lateral movement. Then domain controller compromise. From domain controller compromise, it then has also two things. One is data exfiltration via rename, reclone, and other is tampering with security product through group policies, object GPOs, and policies. Then it will embargo ransomware development through GPO slash scheduled tasks. Storm 0501 tool. Storm 0501 uses the following tool for exploration of cloud services and system BC backdoor, Mimikatz for extracting password and hashes, Cobalt Strike for lateral movement, Reclone and command line tools to accelerate the data from on-site platform and managing files on cloud storage. Attacker techniques, data exfiltration, credit theft and temptation, embargo ransomware development, president backdoor, initial access technique like shared access to hack system, Impact of Storm-0501 compromised cloud platform attacker exploit hack Microsoft Entra content synced or cloud admin account obtained access to Microsoft Entra portal with global administration right. American Radio Relay League ARRL paid a ransom over a 1 million to recover encrypted data. More than 50% victims are located in US followed by UK and Australia. Mitigation and protection techniques security changes. Microsoft Entra ID account has limited authorization on accounts to provide misuse by attackers. Mitigation techniques it involves parental sanitation, use least privilege principal check authorization account activity Microsoft Defender. Enable MFA protection for alert for DSA. Authentication strength for critical apps needs phishing, hardy authentication. Conditional access apply policies for devices company compliance restrict access for accounts and reliance IPs. Detection technique Microsoft Defender at antivirus identify cobalt strike down beacon. Microsoft Defender for endpoint devices. Microsoft Defender for identify. It detects malicious activities like data exfiltration over SMB and guest DC sync attack. Microsoft Defender for cloud app. Below are the references which are used for the making of this presentation. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.